What's up guys, welcome to the unboxing of the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Mine is the natural titanium color, and let's go through the unboxing process together. So that's what the box looks like. You have iPhone on the side, the Apple logo at the bottom, iPhone, Apple logo, standard practice here, so nothing new. So all you have to do is unpeel this and this, turn it around, and then lift off the lid, and then of course you have this high quality box. Put that to the side. We have the iPhone facing down. Use this to pick it up. So this is the apparently natural titanium color. Okay, so it just looks like my old iPhone 15. The slightly different shade, very slight, but it's more or less the same color. All right, so this here we don't get stickers. So we have this braided cable, we have the SIM ejector tool. The braided cable is obviously type C to type C, so let's confirm that. There you go, so type C to type C. And then here we have some documentation. No big deal, just some documentation. No stickers this year and nothing else. Obviously no charging brick, that's been the case for a few years. So just push everything to the side, and let's do the legendary peel. And there you go. So there is the brand new iPhone 16 Pro Max. We have the buttons here on the side. We have the SIM tray for those who have the SIM tray version. The antenna bands are still in the same place. We have the type C port, speakers, and then we have the power button. And then this here we have this, what they call the camera button, or the camera control. Now Apple for some reason refuses to call it camera control button. They just want to call it camera control. And yeah, it's a button. It's actually clicking. Let me just bring it to the microphone. Yeah, that sounds like a button. So that's what it looks like. I'm just gonna put it next to my trusty old iPhone 15 Pro Max. You can see the dimensions are almost the same. Well, the new one is slightly taller, as you can see, and also probably slightly wider as well. No, it's just as wide as the 15 Pro, but definitely slightly taller, as you can see. Okay, so that is the unboxing experience of the iPhone 16 Pro Max. I'm gonna be turning it on. I'm gonna be testing all these things and making some videos for you guys. So stay tuned, make sure you get subscribed, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.